Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. My name is Daniela Uboke. We are cooking a GIZI-DODO today. I'll be using a gizzard, the plantain, these tomatoes and the onion. This is ginger, pepper and garlic. And those are long pepper, like bell pepper, but the long one of it. So I'm cutting the plantain right now. I will be boiling the gizzard, so please follow me step by step. I'm just going to parboil the gizzard, so I'm using this seasoning. I'll be using this curry, thyme and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I will just cover it. And this is the 4 plantain that I've cut down, and this is the pepper, the bell pepper and onions, ginger, garlic. Yeah, those are already blended, not too smooth. I'm just going to fry the plantain. Not too fried, just give a little bit time for it to a little bit fried. I'm checking the gizzard now. This is how it looks like, almost done. Just leave it a little bit while and I'll come back. The gizzard is ready. I'll wait for it to get dried. I will be frying it a little bit now. You can bake it if you want to, but I will be frying mine. So this is the plantain. I've already fried it. So this one will be good as well. I'm just waiting for some time for it to fry before the moving it. Just off it. I'll be taking it out now. So see how they look like. You can make your own brown than this one if you want. So just not want it to too fry. So these are the both of them. Okay, so I'm going to be frying the pepper I'm using. That's the oil. Just wait for the oil to it'll be hot. We'll be putting the onions now. That is very stubborn. I think it's okay. The onions is good to go. So I will just put the pepper, the tomatoes, garlic and ginger like that to do. So just add them all together. Wait for it to fry and done. I will be adding salt and a little bit of seasoning. Remember we already used salt and seasoning to boil the gizzard. So if you are adding anything inside the sauce, just reduce them. When you add everything together, if it's not enough, you can add by then. Just to avoid too much of sauce or everything. Since the pepper is done, I am adding the gizzard, not the plantain yet. It's 1 or 2 follow. That's fine. So just put the gizzard first, later the follow. better try to use most of the time. Only when you have this, so just be very close so you don't leave it to get done. Okay, you keep stirring or still leave it for some time to prepare. So I will just wait for a while before stirring again. So you can see now the oil is going up. That because the tomato is dry and the gizzard is also here. Mama, what do you think? I should be adding this one to it, no? Watch that. Okay, just let me do it for you. I like to close it for some minutes before taking it out. Just close it for some time. And if you would like your plantain to be fried brown, you can do that too. But I didn't want you to spend too much time for the oil. And yes, that's why I took it out earlier. Look at the under.